Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness, and we're making index cards with tags. But first, let's have our shout out to Jenny, Kara, Jane, Joyce, Pam, Gail, and Nancy. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, this is the video in which you put your act of kindness in the bottom of the comment section, and you'll be in next Sunday's drawing to receive Happy Mail from me to you, and that's my way of paying it forward. All right, guys, let's get right to it. So I have got some coffee dyed file folders, and I have cut them. They're two different sizes. This is about 4 by 3, and this one here is 5 by 3. Okay, so I have 2 of each. Then I have a little strip here that is beet dyed, and it's just a strip that we're going to make our tabs out of. So let's kind of mass make this if we can. So I'm going to move this out of the way real quick, and we're going to bring in our gathered twigs and our beloved paragraph stamp here, in which you can still purchase it from Hobby Lobby, I think, is your best bet. Maybe Joann's, but definitely Hobby Lobby. I have seen it there recently. So let's just put these together. I think we could do it this way. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe we just better do it this way. Nope, we're going to try. Because we're putting so much stamp and ink on here, it's just not going to matter if it's perfect, because we're just so not into perfect, because I am so not. So let's go like that. Do a little bit more on the bottom. There. That's perfect. How about this one? Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, we're moving right along. Let's go ahead and do these while we're at it, because we're going to do a little bit of mass making. This one's really easy to mass make, and you don't need a lot of material. Just some ink, some stamps, and we're going to make a tag out of a separate color. Very, very simple. All right, we've got that done. Now, let's see, our tab runs that way, and I'm going to be slipping it in this way. So I need to put my words, that's what I'm trying to figure out, put my words, whoops, sorry about that, put my words going this way, just like that. And one more time. I don't think we'll use that many tabs, but you never know. We're mass making. There. All right, all stamped up. Now I'm going to do a little cleanup. Okay, you guys, next I think what I'd like to do is go ahead and turn these all over on the back and get our little stencil out, and I think I really like this one. And we're just going to, on the bottom, we're just going to put a little bit of stenciling on the bottom, just like that. Just for a little something something on the back of the, what do we call them? Index cards. What do we call this video? Okay. Just like that, going along real smooth. Okay, whew, those are pretty, aren't they? Yes. Now what I'd like to do is ink around all of these edges. Alrighty, we've completed that. Now what I'd like to do is do some of this stenciling around the outside of these cards. Just, there's really no rhyme or reason, just here and there. And if some things get over on the side, it's okay. It just gives it character. It's part of the design. So just lay a little bit of stamping down, or not, stenciling is what we're doing, a little stenciling. Just like that. I hope everyone's doing well today. It's another warm one, but it is summertime and it's supposed to be warm. We'd be really upset if it wasn't warm. Our crops wouldn't grow, and my flowers wouldn't grow, and that would be very upsetting. So I'm happy that it's nice and sunny. We're supposed to be getting that hurricane that's coming, at least part of it. I live far enough inland that it's not going to like come in to me, but we'll get all that rain probably starting Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. All right, we have got all that done. Aren't they looking spectacular? Yes, they are. Let me clean up. Now I'd like to bring in my Victorian velvet and this beautiful little butterfly stamp that I have. If I ink it up, you'll probably be able to see it better. Now you can see it. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? We're going to go ahead and we're going to put her right in here just like this. I think right there will be nice. Oh, she's beautiful. And maybe just half of her right there coming on out. That's beautiful. Let's keep going because we are into our mask making. Very nice. Put her going this way. Okay. These little things you can add to lots of journals. You can make them and design them in the colors that you need. Or if you don't want to use the words, you can use other things. This is just an example. So now we're going to take these and we're going to make us some little tags here to go on our index cards. Let's see here. That's nice. There's one. I'm going to continue to do this and then I'll be right back. All right, I've got them all stamped out. Now I'm going to ink it, but no, I'm going to ink it with the gathered twigs. And so I'm going to do that and get them all prepped up. Okay, all our little tabs are inked up and now we need to glue them on. So I'm going to have to grab my glue. Okay, you guys, I've got one left to glue on. So let's get right to that one. So I'm just going to put some glue all over this little tab, and then I'm going to try to stick it right in the middle where I want it. That's about right here. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. There we go. Make sure that's where I want it. And put the glue on this one as well. Now we can have a look at them. See just how adorable they have turned out. I absolutely love them. I wonder if we like to possibly take the corner off. Okay, I had to grab my corner rounder. Maybe just a little bit of the corner. I don't know. I don't know that it will do because we put the tags on. I think it'll do at the bottom though. Okay, so there's the difference between the two. It's not much, but I sure do like them. I think they turned out just adorable. And then you can journal. Oops, that's coming off. You can journal on the back of them. The back is pretty as well. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love them. Okay, let's have our drawing. Let me grab our little fishbowl. How do you get in this fishbowl? Well, you use an act of kindness to someone. Then you tell me just a little bit about it in the comment section of this video. And next week, check back and see if your name is pulled out of the fishbowl. Okay, here we go. Oops, put you back in. Got a little excited there. Here we go. Who is the winner of this coming week's Happy Mail? Oh, it's Joyce. Joyce Hill. You've won Happy Mail from me to you. Oh, you guys, I have had great fun, and I hope you join me in my next video. I'll see you soon, guys.